Making money with CJ Dropshipping involves using their platform to find, sell, and ship products directly to customers without holding inventory. Here's how you can get started. Sign up and choose a niche. Create an account on CJ Dropshipping and explore products that align with your target market. Select a niche such as electronics, beauty, fashion, or home goods to build a focused store. Set up your online store. Integrate CJ Dropshipping with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or eBay. Create an attractive online store. Add high-demand products from CJ and list them with compelling descriptions and prices. Market your products. Promote your store using social media ads and Google Ads to drive traffic. Leverage email marketing and influencer partnerships to increase visibility and sales. Fulfill orders. When customers make a purchase, CJ Dropshipping automatically fulfills and ships the products. You only pay for the products after the sale, meaning you don't need to invest in inventory. Offer excellent customer service. Provide great customer support to build trust and increase repeat sales. Focus on fast shipping times and high quality products for a better customer experience.